So this is my skillport. I'm signed in. If I go up here to my profile, you'll see my name. So it should be your name once you're signed in. You go to learning transcripts and click on that. If it will go, you can see the progression data and all that information. It'll tell you what the course is, the name of the course, ID number, when it was first accessed, when it was last accessed, and when it was completed, the current score, the highest score. I don't know why this one don't have a score on it, but I did do it. I'll have to go back and complete that one again, I guess. But you can screenshot this and scroll down. Most computers have a way to screenshot. On mine, it is Start menu and Print Screen. It'll take a screenshot. And then I can go to my file, go to screenshots, and here is a list of my screenshots. I can crop and edit this, so like you see 2018 down here, I can crop it down to whatever I want here. And this is what I've completed so far. And then I can either save a copy or go here and save. So there's my screenshot. So then I would go to compose, Landon, or whoever you're sending it to. It could be your team lead for your concept, which is... Nope, wrong one. Hold on, give me a second. Tuesday update. So these lovely people here, Stephanie for Red Zone, Ben for Cafe Lux, Cami Sundial, Doobie Toasted Bagel, Jason Main Street, Danny Haynes, Diane Pulleys, and Jim for the BGAs. So I'm not sure who you guys are sending them to. Landon, I send stuff to Landon directly. Then you would just attach the file, screenshot whichever one it was, and then send. Click. I'm not clicking it. I've already sent it to him. But click it, and away it goes. If it's easier for you guys to do that, instead of sending each one, let's see. Use certificate. I don't think he ever went to sleep. So there's a certificate. You can do that, or you can print screen those.